Hey everyone, it's Scott from DVC-Rental and buyandselldvc.com. We're at Old Key West right now, checking out room 6315, which is a studio. Unfortunately, it is not one of the renovated rooms as of right now. This is in the Hospitality House section. Hospitality House, from what we've heard, is going to be updated last, so this one is not updated. I've seen the new ones. They are beautiful as well, but Old Key West, as you may or may not know, is the only studio that has 2 queen beds in the room. It's also the second largest Walt Disney World studio behind Polynesian. It was the largest until they converted the Polynesian rooms over to DVC rooms. So you got your kitchenette here. Nice sized bathroom for one of the studios. Sink inside the bathroom though. A lot of the other studios do have the sink outside, which is a little possibly more convenient as you could have more than one person getting ready at the same time. And this is a first floor room. Yeah. Nice closet. Pack and play, as all rooms have pack and plays in them. Little sitting area. Hard to tell what the room is. A pretty nice sized room for a studio. And then first floor, there's a little balcony out here, so it is enclosed. This is outside one of the roads where there's a little, as the golf carts go by, and there's one of the holes in the background. There's one of the pins for golf. Nice, pretty nice and secluded back here though. And again, it's October right now, and you hear a little flip-flop. That's me and my sandals just flopping around in here because it's still warm out in October in Florida, which is a very nice thing. Well, this concludes the tour. Again, if you're looking to save on your Disney vacation, please check us out at dvc-rental.com. Don't forget that dash or hyphen in there. Or if you're looking to possibly buy a DVC contract or sell yours, you can always contact us at buyandselldvc.com. Thank you very much, everyone.